let's look at how you can embed data forms into a website or onto a web page. We might be having data forms as a separate page, but you may be cautioned to put the data forms or forms is to be embedded on a particular page. A page might be narrating some other items, but still you want to consider or to use it, then include uh, forms on it. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to look at how to insert data form into a web page. So we are in Microsoft Publisher. You can go straight onto our start menu. Onto start menu, you get what we call the all programs. After getting all programs, uh, you will be prompted to get Microsoft Publisher. Upon Publisher opening, you will see that you have different templates which will be dealt with. So if you are going to deal with the templates, you will look for the website. You look for website and get that appropriate template that may work for you. So we have different templates under website because we are in website development. Then you can go straight to that particular um, template that may work for you. You can choose, for instance, this. Then you can apply what we call the font type. Which font type do you want to use? As each and every organization has its own way of writing words, or it has chosen a piece of writing style or font style. So you can choose the one that preferably may work for you. Again, you can choose the font color according to the colors of your organization or to the customer you're developing to. So you can choose among the color scheme. You can choose that color, which can as well be useful while designing the can work for you. So upon choosing the colors, you can as well launch if you are done with choosing that particular piece. So here we may not choose as many, we can go with only two uh, pages. So we have loaded this as our font. So we can include the name of the organization or the company. So if you have chosen to go with that, you may grow the font to a level that is at least visible enough. You may reduce, may have this, may have designed it as the way it is, then you can continue. So if you have been prompted or have been told to include the desired items, for instance you are prompted to include the to include our form, let's say here. So we can decide to bring our form and it will be starting from here going down. So you can create some good piece of area that you're going to make your form sit. So we can have our form settled here. So we are providing at least an area for our form. So let's go. So in here, upon reaching where you're going to insert, it's on the page. Remember, in our first sessions, we were only entitled to enter those fields as a page. You couldn't as well bring it in a separate way, but it was just like a full page that you could insert in here. But right now you can just come in with you can just bring the information and insert it into our web page. So in here, let me first finish this. So in here, can reduce to 36. So we are having this done. So we can go and insert our data form. You come, insert into, insert into. We can go to design gallery. You can pass through there, or you can as well say insert. Then you come to accessory barbell borders. You can leave all this. Then you come to insert form or reply forms. Then you say okay. You can choose order forms, response forms, or any or sub sign up form. Let's use response form for or order form. Then you say insert object. So our form will come automatically into our page. So you can pull it down to appear just here. So it means here we have done our uh, data form stroke, you can say registration form, registration form. You can have this as registration form. So here we are done with designing this. You can change the to any style that you will preferably want. You can even apply the font color to any color of your choice. So it means we are now done with this. You can continue to have whatever that you want to show up onto your web page. So these are the simple ways of inserting a data form within, when it's not a separate page but you have inserted within other data that you might be having onto your web page. Then we shall see how to edit it in other tutorials. Briefly, that is it for now. Thank you.